The V-Tuf GRINDEX1200LPS is a high-capacity H-class industrial dust extractor engineered for heavy-duty grinding, floor preparation, and continuous site use. With powerful high airflow performance, the V-Tuf GRINDEX1200LPS captures fine and hazardous dust right at the source, keeping the air cleaner and visibility clear while you work. A multi-stage filtration system combined with certified H-class HEPA filters traps even microscopic particles, including silica dust, helping protect both operators and the environment. And when it's time to empty, the continuous liner bag system keeps things clean and controlled. Just seal, cut, close, and dispose. More airflow, less exposure, cleaner results. The V-Tuf GRINDEX1200LPS, built for bigger jobs and cleaner results. V-Tuf, serious dust control for serious work.